Hi, my name is Anime, and for my passion project, I'm going to be making chocolate truffles because I have a strong interest in baking. You will need a bowl, semi-sweet chocolate, whipping cream, cocoa powder, measuring cups, 1 cup, quarter cup, and a quarter teaspoon, butter, liquid measuring cup, sugar, a rubber spatula and a spoon, containers, mini cupcake liners, vanilla extract, a tray, and a medium-sized saucepan. Now let's begin. For the first step, you will need your whipping cream, your liquid measuring cup, saucepan, chocolate, butter, 1 cup measuring cup, and your spatula. First, you will pour a quarter cup of whipping cream into your liquid measuring cup. After you do that, you will pour it into your saucepan. Try to get as much out as you can. After that, you are going to go to the stove. You are going to turn on the stove on medium heat. If you need help, ask an adult. I'm going to turn mine on number 5. You will know when to pour your other ingredients in when you see tiny bubbles appear around the edges. Now we wait. After tiny bubbles appear, but I accidentally let it go a little too long, you're going to turn it off. And then you are going to add your butter. Mine is a quarter cup. It's really melted, as you can probably see. And then gosh, that is so sticky and gross. Ew. After you have your butter in your saucepan, you're going to pour a cup or 8 ounces of chocolate into your saucepan. Now you're going to pour them in. After you pour your chocolate in, you're going to take your rubber spatula and stir it until it has a smooth texture. If it does not have a smooth texture, you can turn on the heat. After it's mixed and smooth, you're going to let it cool for about 15 minutes. After you let the mixture cool for 15 minutes, you are going to need your vanilla extract, your quarter teaspoon, your bowl, and plastic wrap. You are going to add a quarter teaspoon to your mixture and then you are going to mix your mixture again to get the vanilla in. After it is mixed, you're going to pour your mixture into the bowl.
Yeah.
After you get your mixture into the bowl, you are going to take your plastic wrap and cover the bowl. After you get your plastic wrap on the bowl, you are going to put it in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. For our third step, you'll need your mixture that was in the refrigerator, a tray or a plate, your mini cupcake liners, which are optional, your containers, your quarter cup, spoon, powdered sugar or cocoa powder. Use your spoon to scoop out balls about the size of a gumball and put them on your tray. might want to ask someone for help. You should get about the size of a gumball, about that big, and you're going to place them on your tray. Last one. After you have your truffles into your balls, they don't have to be the same size, so we're going to either take your powdered sugar or your cocoa powder, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to do a little bit of both. I'm going to take your container or containers. I'm going to do a little bit of both. After you have whichever one you prefer in the bowls, after you have which one you prefer, we're going to take your balls and roll them in. The powdered sugar will just make it more chocolatey. And then you're going to take your mini cupcake liners. And you're going to put them in, if you want to, which I'm going to do. And you can repeat this step as many truffles as you can. After you have them coated in which one you prefer, you can either eat them or offer them, or put them back in the fridge so they can cool, whichever one you want. Now it's time for the taste test. Thank you for watching. Bye!